In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important Excel function, which is a VLOOKUP function. As the name suggests, it is a function with the help of which we can look up some values. So VLOOKUP basically means how to look up a value vertically. So let's check it out. How to give a first name and last name to the employee IDs given. So if you see on the screen, you can see that there is a raw data extract given. So in that raw data extract, we have employee ID, we have last name, we have first name. Then we have a pay report. So in pay report, what we have employee ID, we have what is the pay, but we also want first name and last name to be included. So how will we use a VLOOKUP function? Let's check it out. Okay, so for using a VLOOKUP function, we will first write VLOOKUP. Now what value we want to look it up with? So obviously the value which we will be finding will be employee ID, right? So that is the value which we want to look up. So that will be our lookup value. Then we have table array. So table array is from where do we find the lookup value? So this is our table array. If you see this whole is our table array. Okay, so here I have selected this cells, but let us lock this cells. Okay, so for locking the cells, we will be using a dollar sign here, a dollar sign here, and also a dollar sign here, and a dollar sign here, dollar sign here and a dollar sign here. So basically what this will do, this will lock this table array. So even though we are dragging this into the next cell, the table array will still be the same. So this is why I have locked this, because I want my values, table values, to be looked up in from this whole table only. Then the column index number. So column index number is which value I want to show on the basis of this lookup value. So I am looking up employee ID, and from employee ID I want to bring in the first name. So if you see vertically, the first name belongs to third column. So if you see in the raw data extract, our very third column is first name. So here we will be writing as 3. Then we have two options, either to choose true, that is approximate match, or to choose false, that is exact match. In most all of the cases we will be using false exact match only. So this is how it's done. So let us drag it till the end. Okay, so let's check for any one of the let's check for any one of the employee ID. Like here in the employee ID we have is 795574, right? And here we have that employee ID is 795574, and the first name is Tony. Okay, so that's the same way how we'll be bringing in the last name. So for last name, we look up value. We will again we look up the employee ID. Then we will choose this table array and make sure that if we want, if we don't want, when we drag it, we don't want it to move to the next cell, let us just lock it by a dollar sign. So locking this will lock a whole table array. So this is how it's done. So here we have locked it. Okay, now what I want, now I want last name. So if you see our raw data extract, last name belongs to column row number 2. So here I'll be writing it as 2, and then I'll be selecting the exact match, that I'll be selecting false. And that's how this is done. So this is the very first case scenario where we have done a simple VLOOKUP, where we want to bring values of first name and last name.